Oh, oh, sorry, my network is broken. Just broken. Okay, and can see the screen first. And can see the screen. Okay. Okay. Okay, and next we need to click this, click here, and then we choose the and click this replace icon, and then we to choose to choose to choose this one. And this is just for the effect, the render effect. It is not it is cannot be self in here. Okay, and then we choose this today we choose this dot uh 6519, this one. Okay, we choose this. Okay, we choose this, and then we modify the height. Okay, we modify the height to 2700. 2700. Just the door height. Okay, and then in here, okay, then here we need to create a balcony dot. Balcony dot is in here. Also left click and move the mouse to here. It is in the middle of this wall. Okay, and then we uh, move the width and the height. Also move the width to 3,000 and 2,500 height. Okay. 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 Next one we go into 3D. We go into 3D, uh, and then we need to uh, change the change the floor first. And on Monday we teach how to use the tiles, but today we need uh, to study another method to lay out the wood floor and use this use this function, and the wood floor will more realistic. And firstly, we need to left click the floor first. Left click the floor first, and then we click this one, delete, and the door no, and the floor texture is delete. Okay, and then we left click the deck in here texture and color textures, and then we choose this one, move for. Okay, and choose move for, and then we choose the standard catalog. And the standard, and then we choose a texture what we like. Like this, we choose A0229, and then we left click this one, and then move to here, and then left click the floor, and it is finished. Just this one. And the effect is good is better than the tiles.
Sorry, for the
Uh,
floor finish just now after the deco is what?
Sorry. Can you repeat again? Yeah.
For the floor finish just now after deco, then click where?
And in here, uh, decor and cloud textures in
Oh,
here.
cloud. Okay. Can.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. Next we decide a ceiling. Design a ceiling.
So in my screen here appear that the tile does not support this operation.
Uh, Maybe and did you delete the tiles first? And that is uh when
To tiles. Yes.
uh,
How to do that?
uh, which one you are doubt? Huh? Okay, and then we and then we create
This
this.
meeting is being recorded.
Okay, we decide a ceiling. Okay, and decide a ceiling, and left click and
So
go
I still
into
can't apply the tiles.
and cannot apply the floor.
Yeah, it just appear here tile does not support this operation.
Uh, Maybe in here and left click and in here we left click, and then we choose the type, and left click in here is okay. And we need to choose
No,
choose
wait.
this.
It still appears that tile does not support this operation.
In the software, any tips, and and you can send the tips in the in here.
Screenshot. Right click, right? Left click.
Do you have the screen? Wait a minute. And
Yeah,
then,
it says send.
okay. Let me see. Oh, firstly,
It must be on the plan.
yes, and firstly we need to wait a minute. I use
No.
and firstly we need to left click this one and left click the floor, and here we need to click the delete. Left click the floor and then we delete.
Delete. Where?
Yes, delete, and then we choose the color textures and then wooden floor centers and in here.
Okay, can already.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay. Right. It's okay.
Yep, can.
Okay, okay, and then we uh go to the ceiling. Yeah, go to the ceiling, and then we need to in here we need to use use this one, the pet. Okay, left click and then choose a corner like this corner, and then left click and move to here.
Sorry, where to go to the ceiling? How to go to this?
Left click here and then go and then click this one, ceiling design.
Huh? I don't have ceiling.
Here. And then we firstly left click the ceiling and left click
Okay.
here and then in here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can.
Okay. And then okay, and then we choose this one first, and this is just uh, uh choose this first, and then we choose a corner like this corner, and then we left click and move to here, move to here, move to here, and then left click, and the first ceiling, this is finished. Okay, and then we change the sink. And then change the sink, like we change to wait a minute, just change the sink height to 300. 300. Mm, to 300. And then in here we also use this. And then and today our water depth is 600. The water height, the water the depth is include the door thickness and the carcass and the wardrobe inner depth is 600. So we left click this one and then move to this corner and then we let it move the mouse to here, and then we uh, enter, enter, and we can see there are the blue color or in the 726. And then we just enter 600, and then enter, and then 4,000. 4,000 don't need to change, and then also click the enter. This is and the ceiling in here is finished. Okay, and then we also change the sink to 300. And we change to 300 also. Okay, and then we use the another ceiling. Use another ceiling in here in the model, and we use the ceiling model. Ceiling model, and then we choose a ceiling we want like this one or this one. Today we choose this one, uh, 88580. Okay, and then we left click also and move to here firstly. Move to here firstly. And because we need to uh, in here we need to 150 cuttings in here. So we don't need move to our mouse to this corner. We just left and move to left, and then we will modify this distance. We need to modify this distance to 150. Then this distance is to install the curtains in here. Okay, okay. And then we also change the sink to 300. To 300. Okay, and then save and exit. And the ceiling and the tiles, we are finished. Okay, yeah, it's finished. Okay, and then we next one we need to design our wardrobe. Okay, in here we firstly in here we our room height, we can see this is we can use the dimension to measure the ceiling to the floor is 2,700.
Sorry, just now wardrobe custom and then choose which one?
Here
Yeah,
uh,
custom.
2 feet this one.
Full home custom.
Yeah. Two
Okay.
feet full home custom. And this catalog we can use in the living room or the bedroom, all is okay. And but cannot use in the kitchen because because this is um, just can use in the living or the bedroom or the functional room. And then firstly we need to we can uh enter our height. Is because the distance from the ceiling to the floor is 2,700. So we need to choose the 2,615 because we need to add the filler, add to 15 filler to uh, from the wardrobe to the ceiling. So we need to enter the height to 2,650, and then the width and we uh, wait and here we need to create this one first, and width is the width we can use the 450. Okay. Okay, and then see there are the no data because this catalog cabinet cannot be used this size, so we can choose another room type, choose another catalog like this one and this one. Mm, we use the ultra high cabinet in here. Ultra high cabinet. Ultra high means taller than 2,400. We uh, it is in the ultra height. Okay, and then we can choose this one, the single the single door, and then because we need to the wide open, so we need to quick switch mirror here.
How to change the door swing direction?
In here, switch mirror. We can see in here can change to the wide open,
No, as in the swing direction. My handle is on the right side.
The handle. Do you mean this one? Like this one? Uh,
My handle is not on the right side. Yeah, so how to change to become left side?
and in here we need to click this one, switch the mirror. In here, we can see
Oh, okay.
switch
Huh?
the mirror, and the handle is in the left.
Still the same. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and and then we need to move this wardrobe to here to the right side, and uh, we need to choose 50 here and move right to here 50 here. Okay, and then we can move right 33. Then we need to keep 50 on the right side because in here we need to add a filler. We need to add a filler in here. Okay, and then we can see in here there are the aluminum in here, but we also don't need this one because because we need to add a filler in here, so we need to delete this one. But how to delete? And we can see in and firstly we need to left click this module, and then we move down, and in here top ceiling panel height. In here we need to choose the first one, no top cover.
Sorry, can you repeat again to delete the no top? Okay. Sorry.
No.
Oh, see.
Okay.
Sorry, can't hear you. Can you repeat how to remove the top. Cannot hear you.
Hello, can you hear now? Okay.
Yeah, can hear. Can you
Okay.
repeat how to remove the top?
Oh, okay. In here, uh, the first one we left click this one, left click, and then we in here the D31 in here. It is down to D30. This one D31, and then we choose the first option. Okay, choose the first option in here. And choose the first option. It's okay. Mhm. In here. No. Can you see? It is in here. Okay, and we choose use another watch-up. This. Oh, uh, uh, we uh, we need to quick click this click in here first because you are in the component in the component. We need to left click in here, and then we can see in the right side. Can you see? And firstly, need to click
No,
this.
click the door first, right? Click the door, correct?
No need to click the. Um, we back to this interface. We back to seeing this interface first because you are maybe are in the component. Maybe you are in the component function.
Sorry,
Uh,
so repeat again what I need to do now. If I'm in this,
okay.
so I need to go to that 2, 3 vertical, is it?
Uh, I and what? And and can you delete this wardrobe firstly and delete this first what delete this wardrobe, delete all the wardrobe, and maybe maybe you click this one. We need to back to this interface.
No, then if I delete, then it become like a delete the side panel only. So I can't delete the whole thing now. If I delete,
And
if I click and delete, then it will become delete the door, the side panel or the door only.
and can you screen the whole screenshot for in here, the whole screenshot. Okay. And then we need to click this, click in here, click here, click this
Okay.
one, click
Uh-huh.
this one, click this one, and then we choose
Okay,
this
got it
one.
already.
Okay,
You know. You
okay,
know.
and then we choose the 31, and then use the first one, the first option.
This option.
Yes, the first
Okay.
option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then we lay out the second wardrobe in here. Okay, and the width we choose 900. Oh, oh, sorry, and we need to choose we need to change the depth to the inner depth. The inner depth we need to choose the 580 in here. We need to choose the depth. Choose the depth in here. Okay. Okay, and then we uh and enter the second wardrobe size, and the width we choose, and we enter the 900, and the height we also change to 2,000 650. Okay. Then we choose this one, the double door height. And
So
then
the question, on the right side, there's already the height, the depth, and uh the width already. Why do we still need to change on the left side?
mm, uh, do you
What's
mean
the difference?
did this depth need to same as this one? Do you mean?
No, on the right side, there's this, oh, it's a separate cabinet, is it?
Yeah, yes. It's a different cabinet. This one is the different cabinet.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And this is the second one, the second cabinet. The second cabinet width is the width is 900, and the depth we can choose 580. And this is the inner the inner depth, not include the door, not include the door thickness. And the door thickness and the door thickness and the gap of the door and the gap from the door to the inner. This is 2 mm in here. This is 2 mm. So we add the door thickness is 20. Okay, and then in here we also uh, layout use this double door cabinet in here. Then in here change we also delete this the top handle in here. Also D31 choose the first option. Choose the first option. Okay. Okay, and then this one is okay. And then the next one the next one we can see the first. These there are the base cabinet and there are the drawer and here is also a wardrobe. Firstly we use this this little cabinet in here, and the height we move and the height and the width we need to change. The width we also change to 450, and the height um, and height we can choose maybe 600. And let's try see the first. And the height is 600 here. Okay, and then we need to choose this catalog. Choose this catalog. Base cabinet. And then we use this one. This cabinet.
你列掉你这个全部的 search。
Okay, and then we change the countertop type. The countertop type is mean this one. The countertop type because there are drawer there is a drawer on this cabinet, so we can use the first option combine the countertop.
Which one? Which one?
By the countertop, and then we can we use the then we choose we found a drawer and and firstly we just delete the height, and the height we can choose 180 in here, and because this high is this high size this size cannot be used in here, so we need to find another catalog. Bedroom units or in the 2V functional cabinets in here, we can see the desk drawer, the drawer and we layout in here.
And
Okay, and then we change the location. We move move the Java in here.
to move,
Move the desk in here.
to move. Oh my God. Yeah, wait. Okay.
Okay, we we can we also add the drawer beside this tab, and we can see firstly we left click this one, and then we can see there are the distance from this panel to this wall is 968. So the width we can enter 968. In here, we can see there are the two drawer or three drawer in here. So today we use the two drawer, and then move move the move to here. Okay. And then move to here. And then in here, we need to create another wardrobe. And this size we can use the dimension function. Then uh, we need to decrease 50 feet. So the wardrobe height should be 1.45, 1.45, and the width is need to be same with this cabinet. It's need to should be 450. Then we need to choose the uh, in the wall cabinet. We can see because this one needs to use the wall cabinet. It is layout in the on the wall, so we need to use the wall cabinet, and the size is this one. Okay, and then we lay out this one firstly, and then we move to here. Okay, and then this in here we also need to delete this aluminum strip. Also in here, the top ceiling panel, use the first to use the first option, no top cover. Okay. And then in here we can add a mirror in here. Mirror size we can use the dimension to measure this one. The width is 968, 968. Then the height should be 1895, 1895. And then the depth we need to delete. the depth needs delete. And then we found the mirror is in mm, oh, it's in the filler, two-free filler and mirror units in here. Mirror unit in here. Then we lay out and move the location. Change the location. And then in here the parameters. Uh, the mirror distance from left means here, and the mirror from distance from top and the bottom means this one. So if we don't need, we just we can change to 0. All change to 0. You see this one is delete. Okay, and then um, we can copy a mirror in here, and then we can see the tips. Press the Alt to drag to copy, and then press the keyboard Alt, and then left click to copy another one, and then we change the height to 600. See the mirror in here is finished. Okay, and then we need to add a feeder on here on the left on the right. Uh, we need to delete all the size, and then feeder, and need to the height we need to enter 2700. The feeder we can choose this one or this one. All is okay. We choose this one in the two-free feeder in feeder. Then we move to, and then we lay out from here. Our camera angle needs to like this one, like this one. And we choose this feeder. Choose this feeder, and then uh, move to here. And this the white feeder is finished. And then the advanced parameters in here, the D1, we need to choose the right side, because this feeder is uh, layout from this cabinet right side. So we need to choose the right side. It's placed in the cabinet right side. And we can see in here we need to move this feeder uh, move move from in here because it is not beside the door, so we need to move from 20 in here. Move from move from 20 and then we need to add a feeder. Add a top feeder. It is in the line ceiling feeder. Line ceiling feeder. And then we choose the cabinet. This one, just left click. This one and this one, and this one. And then the feeder height, we enter the 50. And 50. Then click generate. Okay, this is finished. And we can see in here, we can see in here, we also uh, need to move the feeder to cover the door panel. So in here, we need to change the font indent value. In value, we need to, and if we want to move font, we need to enter the decrease 0 decrease 20 in here. 0 decrease 20 and then enter. Need to.
Sorry, it appeared that my ceiling height is incorrect. Is there any way to modify the ceiling height?
Do you mean, wait a minute. Do you mean this one? Uh, do you mean the ceiling filler is too height in here
No,
uh, to 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 change the height in here, filler height. We need to uh,
not the filler, not the filler. The ceiling that created previously.
the ceiling
Yeah,
our ceiling height
you see my
the
screen.
s- uh and we need to check our room type. The room type should be at 3,000. And do
So
you?
I go to
Yeah,
the 2D. I go to 2D, is it?
yeah. Go to the
Then
2D first and left click,
left click
left
to where?
left click to room, left click, and we can see the room type is 3,000.
3000.
Mm,
Okay. Then go back to the 3D again, is it?
yeah. Go back to the 3D, and then the hmm, uh,
Okay.
it's okay now.
Yeah. Okay now.
Okay. And then in here, because because this uh, this filler is not cover the door, and then we in here we need to enter 0 decrease 20. Then this will cover. If we go if we bet, we need to add the 20. If we add 20, we can see this is bad. If we go font, we need to add decrease 20 in here. Okay. Okay, and then we change the color of this one. Then we can use the material replace in here, material replace, and the carcass, the carcass color. We can choose the MR, sky gray, and the door panel. We door panel we can use A33, A33 in here. A A9 A83 A83 sorry A83 and in here we can because this is the Y open so we choose this Y open. Okay, and then because of wide open and the left open, the door code is different. So we need to if so we in here firstly we left click this one and then the door panel also choose A83 and then the left panel is this code uh, choose the modern gray and the white and the white side we choose this one
Sorry,
NX1
sorry, can you repeat how to go to this change door?
change this door
Uh,
and this or this one
doesn't matter, any of it.
this one right in here door panel door panel and then click
Okay.
all and then we choose this door shape A83 A83
Cabinet door. Then, then,
and use the modern gray color in here.
why the
Uh, uh, left click the watcher, left click the watcher, and then the material replace, and then the cabinet door, then the door panel, and then we need to click the all catalog. In here, there are all the door safe can use in here.
where?
The
Oh,
A93 A93 A83 A83 and then we choose this code because this code is for is the wide open code and then we left click this one and then we left click the color. It's okay. Okay.
no, I still can't find the change door. It's different.
Uh,
It's when I choose the carcass material, it's only came out as
oh,
light material. Oh, okay, so door panel.
uh, do you mean you want to uh, left click this door panel? Okay, left click this door panel here. The carcass color you change the carcass color you change to MR sky gray. The carcass color we need to change this one sky gray.
Then select already.
Yes, yes. Select, and then the door panel. Door panel, we click
Screen.
this icon. This icon.
I can't see my 3D screen because it's loaded with all the interface.
Oh, still loading. Or and
Okay, can ready. Then you see?
okay, and then we click this all. The all door shades is in here. All door shades. Like this one cannot be select because the size limitation. This door cannot be used in this wardrobe. So today we use the A83 A83, and this is the wide open. So the wide open door shade code. This code,
Miss already, lor.
uh,
Now miss.
this one, and we choose the modern grade. Mhm. This one, okay, and can see in here. Okay, if okay, we continue. Okay, we continue. And this is the first and the second. And the second, we also use the same method. Uh, the carcass material and the door. No, because there are the left open and the wide open. So the left open code is different from the wide open code because this is the we can see we use all and then A83 in here. And then we can see this is the left open code and NX1200 LR, and this is the wide open. YNO means right, and this is the left. So we change the left firstly, choose the left firstly, and then the right open also change. Okay, and then this one also also change the door shape. We want like this one. Uh, you can see the handle. The handle is on the downside. On the downside, and this is the carcass color also can change. And this one and the lay and the low cabinets, you can use another door shape. You use the handle on the upside. Also use this door shape A83. A83, and then we can choose. We can see the handle is on the upside. Also use the same color. You can see there the handle is in here. Okay. And then the carcass material also change the sky grid. Okay, and then the job, the desk we can use another color like mountain. Use We can use this color mountain Asian element, or yes, we can use this this color mountain Asian element, and then the door panel, the Java door we can use a uh A119, this one, and we can use this one to uh use another color, A119, A119. Then we use the new one, and then choose the the first color. Okay. And then because this also Java, so we can use the format painter in here, and we choose the cabinet material. Okay, I repeat again. I can repeat again, and firstly choose this one, and then format painter. We can use the cabinet material. Choose the first one, and then left click, and then left click this Java. The carcass color is copied to this. Okay, and then we left click to exit, and exit this function. And the door panel also can copy because these are also the Java, so we can copy to another Java. The door panel style, and then left click uh, in here. The Java type, Java material and handle. Oh, maybe this cannot be copied, so we need to change manually in here. Choose A119, also choose A119, and then use the JDT, and then use the first color. We need to use the JDT because the handle is in here. The handle is in the upside. And if we want the downside, we can see, and we can use this one or this. You can see the handle is on the bed down in here. Just we want, just we like, we can also use this one. And I use on the upside in here. Okay, this is the Java, and the filter material. We also change the same color of the carcass, sky gray, and this also the filter also use the sky gray, the sky gray. Okay. Okay, and then we go to the wall panel, in here. Firstly, we left click this wall. left click this wall, and then we move our mouse to here to use the first one, 美加 wall paneling in here. Okay, and then there are the many wall panel in here. We choose a wall panel we like. Uh, we use this one. Then we can use this one today. We use this one. QFB B0667B8. And use this one. And left click first.
Sorry, how to choose this, how to go to this interface again?
In here,
Paneling, can you go back?
Wall design.
Is it under wall design?
in here,
Choose this wall and then,
yes, choose this wall and then background wall panel, and then choose the 美加 wall paneling, and we enter in here.
wall. 美加 wall paneling. Okay.
Okay, and then we can find this, and today we use this wall panel code, and in here,
Which code 007?
yes, you use this one. Just copy in here, and then we choose the first one. Use this.
Is it different?
6B.
That's 007. QLB.
Okay, and then we click the finish first.
Wait for a moment. I'm trying to search for it.
Okay,
Okay, this one.
okay.
Daddy, why is Papa so boxy?
Okay, can already.
Okay, and then we click finish. We can modify the size and color and back to this interface. Okay, and then we need to change the size firstly, because we can use the dimension function to choose this wall to here. We can see the size V896.
How to go?
In here, dimension, the first function, and then left click the wall, and then move to here. We can see the size is V896. Okay.
Sorry, repeat again how to measure.
In here, dimension. Can you see this? Can you see this this
Yes.
function?
Dimension and then
And then the first one, left click, and then we can select the first surface. We can select this wall.
276. Okay.
Okay, and then move to here.
Okay. Can.
Okay, and then we can see the size is 3A96, right?
Okay.
Okay, and then we need to decrease the curtain's distance. Need to decrease the curtain distance. To decrease 150, and should be 3760 46. We can use and this wall panel, we can choose the 37 uh, 50, and because we suggest to use to use this one because just 4 mm. Okay, and then we move the wall panel to here. Move the wall panel to here. Okay, um and then we can change the wall panel material and use this one. The frame color, just the back, and the door panel means there are two interface, the up one and the down one, and we can see we don't know these two, which one is down, which one is up. We can try if we choose the first one and we select another color, and we can see this B005 is match the down face, So this B002 is the up face. It is the up. Okay, and then we can choose the color you want, like this one, or it's okay. Okay. Okay, and then in our realistic, there are the light strip in here, but in the model, there are no the light strip, so we need to add the light strip in here. In here, there are the light strip on the realistics. On the realistic, so we add the light strip in here because the model in the software there are no the light strip. So we add the decker. Firstly, add a decker in here, decker, and then the car material. Sorry, car model, and then we choose the lighting catalog, lighting catalog, and then we select the lamp catalog, and then there are the light strip in here, the light strip in here. Okay, we can choose a warm color like this one.
Sorry, repeat again, how to go to this after the deco, then how to find the lamp?
Okay, car model in here,
Top model.
car model, and then the lighting and the lighting. Can you see this catalog? Lighting.
Yep, lighting and then
And
lamp.
then yeah. And then the in here, the light strips. Um, eh,
Huh?
huh? Eh, not the light strip. Maybe this one.
Which one?
Oh, in here, light strip, lamp, the light strip. And then we can choose the warm color, the warm light. Okay.
There's no light strip here. It's under lamp and then
Yes, under lamp and then here.
it's different here. Here is LED light source, but here is hose and refrigerator.
Uh, Maybe we and we in here we choose the maybe different. Can see your screenshot.
Okay.
Uh, oh, I see. Maybe. Did you open the Google Translate in here? Maybe
Huh?
open Google. Yeah, yes. First we need to choose the first one and then refresh. In here we can see a live sheet.
I already use Google Translate.
In here you can see the left.
I already use Google Translate.
Oh, okay. And choose the first option. The left option first. Choose the left option first, and then we can see maybe there are some crash of the Google Translate in here. Okay, and then we can see in here.
Don't have strip light.
Don't
Oh,
don't
don't
have.
have strip light.
Uh, Maybe we can search VW in here.
Search one. Three.
Uh, free wall VW, or choose warm. Uh, Search this code 1029 in
Okay.
here,
Got
and
it.
then
But how do we
search.
know whether what the code? If next time we want to find a strip light, then how do I know whether it's what's the code?
And we can add a star in here. Add a star and then confirm. And my favorite, we can use the live chip another in here in this favorite catalog.
And now I have any strip. Okay.
Okay,
Then
and then can start this model. We can find quickly in here
W1.
okay, and then we use this one. It's okay. And then we change our camera angle in here. Change our camera in here. And then we put the light strip in here firstly. Put light strip in here firstly. Okay, and then we can change the width same as the wall paneling. 3750 is 50, and then the depth we can decrease because we can see the depth is too big, and we can choose 80, 18. Okay, and then we move the line strip like this one, just the effect. So uh, move 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 to here is okay. Move to here because just the effect we can see the line strip is okay. It's okay to change the size and move the line strip. It's okay. This step, the width and the depth. Okay. Okay, and then we can uh, the next step is add the bed in here. Add the bed in here. Okay, firstly we go to the custom, and in the custom, all these are can be sold, like the loose furniture in here and
Sorry, I
product.
missed out just now the wall paneling at the bottom. How to make it center, the line?
The line to uh, in here we can move uh,
No, no,
uh,
the wall paneling, not the LED. The wall
oh,
paneling, the line.
the wall panel and
Ah,
uh, also left click and then move to here is okay.
also that line is always center of the wall width, is it?
The
The
light
thin line.
the line uh, also move again in here, but it is but it is it can move it can move to sides automatically
Okay.
the because the size of the light is same as the wall panel. So we can just the arrow and it can match the Y side in here on the left side, and this is the middle. You can see this is the light. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then this bed, the bed we can we need to add in here. There are the bed in the decker or in the custom, but the custom bed is in the loose furniture. LF means loose furniture. LF, and then this in the custom, and then these are all can be all can be sold. Okay, and then we found a bed in here. This is the bed. This we can see
After
the
custom, choose LF and then what?
and then choose LF and then products in here. Products. Product. This product all can be sold. All can be sold. Okay, and then we choose the bedroom. The bedroom and bed. We found a bed. Uh, found a bed we like. Like this one. B1 P140 here. We can also search B B140. We use this bed. Okay, we use this bed, and then we left click. Left click. We can see there are the two color in here and the size and the size. Okay, and then we can see this icon beside the applied this icon. We can see there are the decker. The decker is matched by our project manager. We can we can use like this one like this one we can see there are the car cap and the pillow and others are matched, so we can use it directly and and then choose this one and then up, and then we need to back to 2D first. We need to back to 2D first, and we can lay out more easily. Okay, and then We choose this one and then apply to selection. Okay, our mouse need to move to this wall to the middle to the middle. That's okay, and then left click. And then left click, and then we go to 3D. There are the lights. Because there are the light strip, so we can delete this light.
How come my bed and my bed frame is separated?
Uh, sorry. Just the back frame, right?
So how to then I have to choose one by one, meh? Cannot be one.
In here, we need to click this icon and then choose this
Yeah,
one.
yeah. I selected already, but then when I move it, the bed frame and the carpet and the frame and the mattress itself is moved separately.
Yeah, yes, because this need to move, and we can press shift, uh, press the keyboard shift, and then choose one, and then this one, and then this one, and then to choose the carpet, and then we move.
So I have to
We,
choose individually lah.
uh,
Eh? Mhm.
Pardon?
Oh my God, seriously.
We can if we want to move this all these decker, we can press the keyboard shift, and then choose this, and then we can move or move we can move.
Okay, can alternatively we just group them lah, then we can move together.
Yeah, yes, can move together, and
No, group them. I'll group them now already. I group all of these.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, and the line need to be deleted because there are the line strip in here. Uh, if if we don't want to delete, it's okay. Okay, and then the next one we can add some decker on the desk. Desk, and in here we can firstly we left click this one, left click the desk, and then there are the arrow. We move our mouse to the arrows, and then we can click the automatically install of the accessories. The last icon. Then left click, and then we choose the second option. The left one, we choose the second option. The second option. We choose the second option, and then we can choose like this one. There are the different decker. Like we choose one. There will be add on the desk. Okay. Okay, and then we can add like a chair in here, and chairs in here also in the LF, and then products, and then the bedroom and the dressing table and chairs. This one add in here. Okay. Okay, and then we add the curtains of this one. Add the curtains. Okay, our angle needs to be need to be need to face the door here. Okay, and then we and also use the cow models, and then uh, ornament in here. We can see the curtains are in here. Okay, we can find the double curtain, means the two side. Okay, and found curtains we liked, like this one, like this one. Okay, and then we lay out in here, and our mouse need to be moved in here. Okay, and then lay out in here, and the width we can change to 4,000 because our wall length is 4,000. Okay, and then we move the curtains, and the depth now means the height. So with the height we can choose the 3,000. 3,000. Like if we want to uh, change the curtains color, like this one is a brown, right? And then if we want to change, we can use the material, use this function, the material, and then left click this brown, You can see there, we can change our texture matte, and then we left click this one, left click this texture matte. Okay, left click, and then we can see the fabric. The fabric. There are different different texture. The sold color like this one. We can use the black or other like this one. That and the leader. There are different color in here. So just select we want. Like this one. Okay. Okay, and this is finished. And then we need to save our scenes, and then the render. Then we render the effects like this angle. at this angle. Can select our angle, and then we use the ray tracing because this speed is fast, and we choose the 4K, and then select the template, and add exterior in here. And then we can we need to turn on this one, turn on the glow, and then the real-time timing and real-time material. This one, this two we suggest to open it. This two.
Sorry, can you repeat how to go to this render again?
Okay. Wait a minute. It's in here. Render here.
No, I
The
see that I'm still at this one.
this one. Okay. The render. On the left side, render. Okay, and then we choose the ray tracing, and we can and you can try the phone tone after, because the phone tone render speed is slower than the ray tracing. The ray tracing is the fast. The ray tracing is faster. So then we suggest we can use the 4K or other equivalency, and the templates, and then the exteriors, and the advanced setting. In here, we suggest to turn on the real-time timing and real-time material. Real-time timing, real-time material, and then the this one also can be open, and the sunlight we can open, and back to 2D we can see back to 2D, we can see the sunlight is shining from which angle is from which angle. Like this one, we can move the sunlight, and then the angle this spot can be uh, changed. And we can turn on the preview, means the sunlight preview. Like you can see the light. If we change the angle, the light, the sunlight, uh, the sunlight angle is different. So uh, just uh, just move to uh, just move we light, and then the sunlight color temperature we can back to 3700 K in here, or okay. And then the bright we can slow make it smaller. Okay, and then we finish, and just we can save this angle first. Save this angle first. And then we choose another angle like this one, at this angle, and then we save, and then we can see there are two angles, and then click the bench submit, and then choose these two angles, and then confirm. Okay, after submit, we can see the gallery, there are the rendering. We can see, we can, no, uh, we can wait a minute to see the effects in here. Okay. And then maybe some custom need to want to change this to the mirror or the glass. We can add we can use the different door shape in here, because other other designer ask us, we can change the door panel, aluminum frame. This this catalog means this catalog are all the glass or all the glass shapes like this one. You can see aluminum frame door, glass door. This is all the glass door, and then the door inner. This because this size is too is more than 2,700. So the glass only can select this one, ultra wide glass or other glass. So just select we want in here, and this also the left open, and the right open code is different. Okay. Okay. Okay, we can see the render. Maybe the finish. Yes, the render is finished. And we can see the real time, um we can adjust the, the, the lights in here. Click this one. Back to our gallery, gallery, and then real time editing. Then we can see there are the ceiling lights. We can change change the change the color and the cabinets lights. This light strip, we can add the light or change the another color. And the outdoor lights, if we slow down the effect is different. So just change to the change the effect we want is okay. And then after change, we can download the texture to our computer desktop. Okay, and this is these are the bedroom design. The bedroom design. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this is the bedroom design, and any other questions? Uh, for window, how to go back to add model? Uh, click this one. Click this one. Click the left up. Why up this one? Save and exit. We can back to in here. Click this one. The Y up. Okay. Okay, any other questions? If no, the morning is finished, and in the afternoon, Chinese time 2 p.m. There are the order training. I teach how to order things, how to order the cabinets. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's all for this morning. And in the 2 p.m. Chinese time, we'll teach the order. Okay.